everyone, welcome to Hongbao. You can see here is our big sample room, and here are all our certificates we get from now. And this way we can see is our development history, and it's all our development path from this wall. And we can see here is our brand culture, and this wall here, they are all our brand companies, and this wall here are all our customers from China or over the world. Here are our top sales products, and here is like VD or industrial pliers, and this way like professional pliers, and also like tool sets is our corporation brand like Stanley.
Insert technology makes foreign trading easier.